Hello students, today's topic is Weather and Climate Chapter 4. Let's learn about weather. What is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and particular time. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere, means the envelope of gases surrounding the earth. Weather can change from day to day and even hour to hour. Weather can change within few minutes or hours. Weather changes every day. It may be hot and dry today, but tomorrow it may be raining and wet. The weather conditions in the morning may be different from that in the evening. Weather is what TV presenters forecast, like sunny, cloudy, windy, storm, etc. Example: I was hoping for a good weather today, but I was unable to go out since it was raining. Changes in weather condition give rise to season. In India, we enjoy three seasons: summer, winter, and monsoon. Our lifestyle varies according to seasons. It influences what we eat, what we wear, and even the type of houses we live in. It also determines the crops that farmers grow. Climate. Climate takes a very long time to change. Climate means average weather of a place over a period of many years. The climate of a place remains more or less the same year after year. Different parts of the world have different types of climate. On the basis of prevailing climatic condition, the world can be divided into 7 major climatic regions. The factors that determine the climate of a place are distance from the equator, height above sea level, distance from the sea, latitude. Distance from the equator, the earth gets heated by the rays of the sun falling on it. Look at the rays of the sun falling on different parts of the earth. Near the equator, the rays fall vertically, but near the poles, they fall slanting. Different parts of the earth receive different amount of heat from the sun. Unequal heating of the earth. Depending on the amount of heat received, there are 3 climatic or heat zones on the earth. They are the torrid zone, the temperate zone, the frigid zones. The same thing is there in your textbook, that is page 192. The area on both sides of the equator between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called the torrid zone. The torrid zone. The word torrid means extremely hot. Look at the picture. It's very hot. It lies near the equator. This zone receives maximum heat. It is hot throughout the year. You can observe the picture. Temperate zone. The areas that lie between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere are called the temperate zones.
This region has a mild climate, neither very hot nor very cold. You can observe the picture. Frigid zone. The areas between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the Northern Hemisphere. Between the Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the Southern Hemisphere receive very little heat from the sun. They are very cold and large part are covered with snow throughout the year. They are called frigid zone. Height above sea level. The peak of high mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. Thus, the higher a place is from a sea level, the cooler is its climate. Distance from the sea. Water heats up and cools more slowly than land. This affects the climate of a place near the sea. They are warmer in winter and cooler in summer than places far away from the sea. Winds. Winds tend to flow in particular direction different parts of the world. They may be hot, cool, or full of moisture depending on where they come from. Example, the monsoon winds from the Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea bring rain to large part of India. The hot winds from the Thar Desert make Delhi very hot during summer. Thus, the climate of an area is affected by the winds. Humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. It affects the climate. The air over the equator is laden with water vapor as the heat of the sun causes rapid evaporation of the ocean waters. This causes heavy rain in the area. So, the climatic near the equator is hot and wet. Thank you.